Welcome to The Fate of Money, where we dive into the world of wealth building and uncover the secrets to achieving financial freedom. Today, we're going to explore a book that has been a cornerstone of personal development and wealth creation for nearly a century, but with a twist that will shock you. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich has been widely read and acclaimed, but what most people don't know is that the book was originally intended to be a much darker and more sinister guide to wealth creation. In fact, Hill's research was heavily influenced by his associations with some of the most powerful and wealthy individuals of his time, including Andrew Carnegie, who was known for his ruthless business tactics. If you're interested in learning more about the darker side of wealth creation, I recommend checking out smartloansanalysis.com, a free resource that provides in-depth analysis of the financial industry. But before we dive into the book, let's talk about why Think and Grow Rich has been so influential. Published in 1937, the book has sold over 30 million copies worldwide and has been translated into numerous languages. It's a self-help book that promises to teach readers the secrets of wealth creation, but what makes it so unique is its focus on the mental and spiritual aspects of wealth building. Hill argues that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our reality, and that by cultivating a positive and prosperous mindset, we can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. Chapter 1: The Dark Origins of Think and Grow Rich. Hill's journey to writing Think and Grow Rich began with a chance encounter with Andrew Carnegie, who was one of the wealthiest men in the world at the time. Carnegie was known for his brutal business tactics, and his story is a fascinating one. Born into poverty, Carnegie rose to become one of the most powerful men in the world, but at a great cost. He was notorious for his treatment of workers, and his business practices were often ruthless and exploitative. And yet, despite his questionable ethics, Carnegie was a deeply philosophical and introspective person, who believed that the key to success lay in the power of the human mind. Hill was deeply influenced by Carnegie's philosophy, and he spent many years researching and interviewing successful individuals to understand the secrets of their success. But what's striking about Hill's research is the way he wove together disparate threads of philosophy, psychology, and spirituality to create a unique and compelling narrative. He drew on the ideas of everyone from Sigmund Freud to Emile Coué, and he developed a distinctive approach to personal development that emphasized the importance of positive thinking and visualization. But here's the thing, Hill's approach was not just about positive thinking. It was also about cultivating a deep sense of purpose and direction, and about overcoming the obstacles that stand in our way. He believed that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our reality, and that by cultivating a positive and prosperous mindset, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. And that's what makes Think and Grow Rich so compelling. It's not just a book about wealth creation, but a book about personal transformation. So, what can we learn from Hill's approach to wealth creation? How can we apply his principles to our own lives, and what are the potential pitfalls and challenges that we need to be aware of? That's what we'll be exploring in the next chapter, where we'll delve deeper into the world of Think and Grow Rich and explore the secrets of Hill's success. But for now, let's just say that Hill's approach is not for the faint of heart. It requires a deep level of commitment and dedication, and it's not always easy to follow. But the rewards are well worth it, and that's what makes Think and Grow Rich such a compelling and enduring book. Chapter 2: The 6 Steps to Riches. So, what are the secrets of Hill's success? How did he manage to distill the essence of wealth creation into a simple and compelling formula? The answer lies in the 6 steps to riches, which Hill outlines in Think and Grow Rich. These steps are desire, faith, autosuggestion, specialized knowledge, imagination, and organized planning. They're simple, yet powerful, and they provide a framework for understanding the mental and spiritual aspects of wealth building. Let's take a closer look at each of these steps, and see how they can be applied to our own lives. Desire is the starting point, the spark that sets the flame of wealth creation burning. It's the passion and drive that motivates us to take action, and it's the foundation upon which all the other steps are built. Faith is the next step, the trust and confidence that we need to have in ourselves and our abilities. It's the belief that we can achieve our goals, and that we have the power to shape our own destiny. Autosuggestion is the third step, the process of programming our minds with positive and empowering thoughts. It's the way we talk to ourselves, the way we think about ourselves and our abilities. And it's a crucial step, because our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. Specialized knowledge is the fourth step, the acquisition of skills and expertise that we need to succeed. It's the knowledge and understanding that we need to have in order to achieve our goals, and it's the foundation upon which all the other steps are built. Imagination is the fifth step, the ability to see and visualize our goals. It's the power of creativity and innovation, and it's the spark that sets the flame of wealth creation burning. And organized planning is the final step, the process of taking action and making our dreams a reality. It's the discipline and focus that we need to have in order to succeed, and it's the culmination of all the other steps. So, how can we apply these steps to our own lives? How can we use them to achieve our goals and create the wealth and prosperity that we desire? That's what we'll be exploring in the next chapter, where we'll delve deeper into the world of Think and Grow Rich and explore the secrets of Hill's success. But for now, let's just say that the 6 steps to riches are a powerful and compelling formula, and they provide a framework for understanding the mental and spiritual aspects of wealth building. And if you want to master your wealth, be sure to subscribe and like this video, as we'll be exploring more topics like this in the future. Chapter 3, The Hidden Patterns of Wealth Creation. So, what's the hidden pattern of wealth creation that Hill reveals in Think and Grow Rich? How can we use this pattern to achieve our goals and create the wealth and prosperity that we desire? The answer lies in the way that Hill weaves together the 6 steps to riches, creating a powerful and compelling narrative that draws the reader in and inspires them to take action. It's a pattern that's both simple and complex, easy to understand yet difficult to apply. It's a pattern that requires discipline and focus, yet it's also a pattern that's deeply intuitive and natural. And it's a pattern that's been used by countless individuals throughout history, from Andrew Carnegie to Steve Jobs, to create wealth and prosperity on a massive scale. But what's the key to unlocking this pattern? How can we use it to achieve our own goals and create the wealth and prosperity that we desire? The answer lies in the way that we think about wealth creation, the way that we approach it and the mindset that we bring to it. It's a mindset that's focused on abundance and prosperity, rather than scarcity and lack. It's a mindset that's open to new ideas and opportunities, rather than closed and rigid. And it's a mindset that's deeply committed to taking action and making our dreams a reality. So, what can we learn from Hill's approach to wealth creation? How can we apply his principles to our own lives, and what are the potential pitfalls and challenges that we need to be aware of? The answer lies in the way that we approach wealth creation, the mindset that we bring to it, and the actions that we take. It's a journey that requires discipline and focus, yet it's also a journey that's deeply rewarding and fulfilling. In conclusion, Think and Grow Rich is a book that offers a unique and compelling approach to wealth creation. It's a book that's both practical and philosophical, providing a framework for understanding the mental and spiritual aspects of wealth building. And it's a book that's deeply inspiring and motivating, encouraging us to take action and make our dreams a reality. So, if you want to calculate your true wealth and start building the life you deserve, be sure to check out the link in the description to smartloansanalysis.com, a free resource that provides in-depth analysis of the financial industry. With the right mindset and the right tools, you can achieve anything you set your mind to, and create the wealth and prosperity that you desire.